9 of the best cheap stock to buy under $10. With investing becoming as mainstream as it is now, there is no excuse not to put your money into stock. Sometimes, though, many people claim they do not have enough funds for this venture. While it is certainly true that most premier stocks have prices in the hundreds and thousands, there are a couple of cheap stocks which lower-income investors could get into. In this video, we break down what these cheap stocks are and what value they possibly represent. Before we get into it though, please make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Doing so will ensure you never miss out on any of our excellent content. Stock prices are affected mainly by supply and demand. Nevertheless, it takes time for a company's stock to balloon in value. Big companies like Tesla and Amazon have their stock prices hovering around $600 and $3,000 respectively. But this wasn't always the case. The companies represented in this list are still growing. So while their stock prices are low today, things might not remain that way forever. And so, the point here, as it is with stock trading as a whole, is to buy cheap and sell later at a higher value. And so, without further ado, let's get into it. Number 1. Comstock Resources. Comstock is an oil and gas company currently valued at about $1.4 billion. The company operates in the American states of Texas, Louisiana, and North Dakota. The company is reported to have some 3,000 wells and 17 billion barrels of oil. Though the pandemic affected their business model in early 2020 due to decreased demand, the company has already bounced back. Several analysts also predict that they will keep up this strong performance. Comstock is definitely one of the best oil and gas stock to buy for under $10. Share prices currently hover below the $6 mark. Number 2. Telefonica. As the leading telecommunications provider in Spain, Telefonica generated $53 billion in revenue for the fiscal year of 2020. What sets this company apart from the competition is its affordable pricing and remarkable infrastructure. Other than its telecommunication business, the company generates revenue by upselling sports, shows, movies, and other content. With the share price hovering around $5, it's as good a stock to buy as any. Number 3. CymaBay Therapeutics. Market capped at about $300 million, CymaBay Therapeutics is a clinical-stage biopharmaceutical company. This description means that the company is focused on developing, testing, and providing drugs and therapies to treat liver diseases and other chronic illnesses. In addition, the company is also looking to diversify its repertoire of services to handle other such metabolic diseases like diabetes. With stock prices hovering around $4, the best time to purchase CymaBay stock is now. Number 4. LiveXLive Media. LiveXLive is a digital media company that specializes in the acquisition, monetization, and distribution of live music, podcasting, internet radio, and music-related streaming and video content. Under its umbrella, the company runs a music streaming service known as Slacker Radio, as well as LiveXLive, a live music streaming service. Market capped at $372 million, the stock price of about $5 seems like a steal. Number 5. Aegon. Aegon is an insurance company operating from out of the Netherlands, the UK, and the US. Though many other successful insurance businesses are operating in the US and Europe, Aegon is consistent with its performance. Some Wall Street analysts consider the Aegon stock to be woefully undervalued. At less than $5, we consider this a good buy. Number 6. Mizuho Financial Group. Mizuho Financial Group is a Japanese banking firm that offers comprehensive financial and strategic services, including banking, securities, trust and asset management, and venture capital. The company's latest financials revealed revenue of about $21 million. With a stock price of just under $10, we believe Mizuho stock is undervalued. The company reports strong earnings year after year, hinting that its value may be ballooning soon. Number 7. VEON. VEON is a Dutch telecommunications company that has an annual revenue of almost $8 billion. The company has a massive reach, running from Eastern Europe to Algeria to Pakistan. Shareholders are enthralled with VEON's position to compete with many other telecommunication services across other countries and continents. With a share price under $2, this is one of the best stocks to buy on this list. Number 8. Aurora Cannabis. As the legalization of cannabis slowly begins to take the world by storm, there has never been a better time for investors to look into the business. As it turns out, Aurora Cannabis is one of the big 4 Canadian companies that has broken out into the scene. Though the company is perceived to be disadvantaged due to its lack of a prominent financial backer, cannabis sales are expected to rise so much per year that this would hardly matter. Moreover, with stock prices just under $10, Aurora Cannabis has decent value. Number 9. One Stop Systems. One Stop Systems is a computing company that designs, manufactures, and markets high-performance computing models and systems for deployment in the US and worldwide. Through the company's innovative attitude, cutting-edge systems are utilized in the manufacturing of its products. The share price is just above $5, making it good value for money. Having been founded in 1998, One Stop Systems doesn't seem to be going anywhere. The reason why it's such a big deal to buy an underpriced stock is that this purchasing strategy grants you the ability to buy large volumes of stock at a reasonable price. That way, if the stock price rises, you can multiply the profit you'll potentially make in any sale. This is good investing sure to make you rich. Naturally, this list isn't exhaustive. There are so many other stocks under $10 that could have claimed a place here. Regardless, this selection was intended not only to be diverse, but to be prudent as well. Although naturally, no stock is a sure bet, these give you a pretty great chance at success. As we sign off, we hope you've learned a lot from this list. Is there some other stock you wish we had included? Please don't hesitate to let us know below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share the video if you liked it. Our channel is committed to providing you with the best, most informative content. Until our next video though, take care of yourself. Enjoy the rest of your day.